A federal judge in Baton Rouge has ruled the state's new law requiring the 10 Commandments be displayed in every public classroom unconstitutional. His decision prevents the state from enforcing the law while the case moves through the courts. Paul Murphy reports the ruling is a setback for Governor Jeff Landry and conservatives who lobbied hard for that law.
Parents that sued to block Louisiana's new 10 Commandments law scored a huge legal victory. The law would require public schools to display the commandments in their classrooms by January 1st. Tuesday, Baton Rouge federal judge John DeGravels ruled the requirement is facially unconstitutional in all applications. Alana Odoms from the ACLU of Louisiana, which represented the plaintiffs, said the 177-page opinion affirms the law is a violation of the First Amendment, which forbids the government from taking any action to establish a state religion.
Each and every student and their family have the independent autonomy and authority under the First Amendment to choose their own faith, and the 10 Commandments being posted in classrooms is a violation of that.
State Attorney General Murrill said she is planning an immediate appeal. Supporters of the law argue the 10 Commandments are of historical significance to the foundation of the United States and not just a religious text. After a hearing last month in federal court, Murrill said the state can create poster-sized displays of the commandments that comply with the Constitution.
I would point out that Moses is on the top of the east frieze of the United States Supreme Court. Moses appears inside the Supreme Court and outside, I think, in 9 different places.
Pastor Fred Jeff Smith of the Shiloh Missionary Baptist Church in Baton Rouge said the judge's ruling upholds the Constitution.
I believe in Jesus Christ as my Savior and my Lord, but that's not the belief of every citizen of this community. That's not the belief of every student that attends public schools.
The state is now barred from enforcing the 10 Commandments law while the litigation plays out in court. The case could make it all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.
So back in 1980, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a similar Kentucky law was unconstitutional and violated the Establishment Clause of the U.S. Constitution.